Guys, welcome back again to another video. Today guys, I'm going to be making jollof rice. So these are some of the ingredients which I'm going to be using. There's still more which I'm going to be showing to you along as I go on this video. So these are the main ingredients that I'm going to be using. I've got this golden basmati rice. Here is my marinated turkey wings. So this, I've marinated this. I'm going to take this aside so that all the ingredients can absorb in there properly. Here is my onions. I'm going to be including prawn on this today's recipe. And over here is my blend tomatoes. This tomato has got bell pepper, tomatoes obviously, onions, as well as scotch bonnet. So let's get into today's video. So here is my pot. I'm going to add some sunflower oil. I'm going to start to fry this prawn. As you can see, I'm going to add some. I'm just going to let this to fry a little bit. Then I'll be adding the onion. So here is my prawn. It's frying really well. Now I'm going to add the onion. I'm going to add the onion there. So here is my blend tomato. I'm going to add it. We're going to lower the heat a bit. So I'm going to be adding the ingredients. So here is ginger puree. I'm just going to add a little bit of drop and garlic powder. I'm going to add as well. I'm going to add seasoned cube. I'm using no cube. So let me give it a little bit of stir. I'm adding some a bit of mixed spice. It. Combine this. A little bit of thyme. So I'm adding ground crayfish. Some salt, I'm just going to cover to allow it to simmer for a while. Look. I'm going to allow it to cook a bit. So I'm going to add tomato puree. That is enough for me. We're going to combine together. Here is my golden basmati rice that I'm going to use to make this jollof rice. I'm going to transfer it here in the pot. So I'm going to parboil this for about 10 to 15 minutes before I use it. So I'm going to parboil this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, here is my parboiled rice. I'm going to transfer it into my tomato sauce. So this is the final part of today's jollof rice that we are making. So here is my pot. I'm going to transfer in the rice. So this rice is half cooked. I don't want to turn it to the bottom because I don't want this to burn under. So here is my bay leaf. I'm just going to put it on top. And now I will cover it to cook. Let's have a look. Look at that. It's almost ready. Here is my turkey wing. I'm going to add it to the jollof rice. I will allow this to sit a little bit, and this jollof rice jollof rice will be ready. Look at that, guys. Our jollof rice is now ready. Look at that, so yummy and tasty. Which one is your favorite? Jollof rice or fried rice? Let me know on the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And share this recipe to families and friends. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.